Good morning, traders. Welcome to the Elliott Wave Street weekly update. Today we're going to start with the euro. Don't forget to visit us on elliottwavestreet.com/membership to sign up for the 30-day trial membership and get all the wave counts every day. All right, so let's start with the euro. This is the hourly chart. We are looking for the price to make a higher high above this previous high. I'm activating this triangle formation. Still not sure if this is the one that the price is gonna make or if something different is happening. But the plan is to have a higher high. So let's build two scenarios. One scenario could be that this is one, this is A, B, C. The price rejecting here will make a 3, 4, 5, and that completes wave 1, and then we get ready for the ABC. And a second scenario is a triangle, still needs more legs here inside, a C, a D, and a E. And then we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the price will start the corrective wave after that. So those are the two alternatives that I'm working on, that I'm looking for, and I would like to sell the euro either here or here. Today in the membership we were talking about something important, and is the fact that when you have, let's say, a bearish impulse and you have one ABC for 2, then a wave 3, ABC for 4, then a wave 5, and then the price starts doing a strong move up. So let's stop there. What is the difference, or actually here? What is the difference between these correctives, and this corrective? Well, clearly, look at the behavior of this thing. It's pretty strong to the upside. It's gaining momentum. It's change of behavior. And you don't want to sell a corrective wave that looks like that. So corrective waves can be a little bit trending, which is good, but also we need to have them losing momentum, right? Losing momentum. A losing momentum leg is when you have a strong move down and then you have like some sort of ABC, right? But if the price is moving down and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the weak wave is on the other side, you know that something is changing. So let's go to the 4-hour chart on the euro and we can have the example. So if this is true, if this is an impulse, because sometimes when I see students trading because they have an impulse, and that's completely wrong, right? If you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in your chart and you say, oh, that's an impulse, and you are going to focus on buying on any level when the price is moving down. But what if the price makes a lower low, right? That's the subjective part of the Elliott wave theory, but I have a solution, and that solution is waiting for the 3-wave sequence down. The Elliott wave impulse is a 5-wave sequence in one direction and a 3-wave sequence in the opposite direction. And this 3-wave sequence needs to be a corrective wave, right? Let's say that here you have the price moving like that fast to the downside and you try to buy because you think it's a wave 2. It's a huge mistake. You need to wait and see the behavior of wave 2. Let's say that we have a 3-wave sequence, the price rejects and then we go long. On the other hand, if we have the same pattern and the price moves like that, we know that it's going to make a lower low, and because it's a wave 3 to the downside, and this thing was a corrective. So let's talk about entry points. I want to sell the euro if it's able to make it here to the high and reject. I want to buy the euro if I have a clear corrective with the right shape, with the right look during the leg down. And as an alternative, if the price collapse is not going to give me a buy entry, I'm going to be short from here, so I'm going to hold it, and we will see what happens next if the price hits the low. Let's have a look at the S&P. On the S&P, something similar is happening. On the S&P, we are seeing the price building the first leg similar to the euro dollar, and there we have our first leg, the corrective, a clear wave 3. This one is clear, is strong, is powerful. Then we have some distribution process where the big guys are taking their profits, where they are building traps. And the next level is to check what is going to happen here. If the price quickly, and remember that word is important, quickly rejects from the highs, that's going to be the sell trade. And the same as the euro, we will find if this is a 2 or if the S&P is going to continue lower, maybe. Or if we are going to have the ABC, we need to see it, and we go long here. We went long here already, but we can add to the position here in that case. Right? So that's key. We also have a trend line. Right? Here it's important to watch the trend line. That could give a signal as well, right, to have the sell trade. And then we just follow the price. So it's going to be pretty interesting. You see, another reason to sign up for the Elliott Wave Street membership, so you can get the updates every day and the point of view of the updated market. There is something else interesting this week, and it's oil. Oil has been reaching the highs, has been extremely expensive. And the thing with oil is that oil equals live inflation. So here, with an expensive oil that has been during the entire month of May pretty close to the highs, we know that inflation is gonna be pretty high. We have inflation this week, so in order to have the S&P moving higher, we need to have the inflation easing down. We need to have inflation moving down. If not, this is not going to work, right? Because the Fed will need to go more aggressive, and that will be bad for the market. So let's see. Good news will be if oil starts moving down strongly. Let's see if that's going to be possible or not. If we have a big sell-off in oil, will be great, and in that case we use Elliott Wave to trigger, right? Let's say that here is the 3, 4, 5, and then the ABC, so we sell it here. We're not going to buy here. We never buy at the highs. Doesn't have any sense. So let's see if the oil is going to give us this confirmation, but that would be great. We're having this double top. Maybe that's it. With these candles that are showing today are really good for this setup. Traders, if you want to receive our daily point of view, visit us on elliottwavestreet.com/membership. You will find there all our plans. Let me show you a little bit more here. So here we have our website, elliottwavestreet.com. Under the membership tab, you're finding all the details. You're gonna get immediate access to this fantastic world of analysis and trading, with live market analysis on the daily videos, with Telegram access to the trading plans, with education and more. So I'll see you inside the membership. Please have a fantastic start of your week. Take care. Bye-bye.